Kamakailan lamang pumasyal ang Team RX sa Pampanga. At dito nakilala namin ang isang kakaibang grupo. Mahusay kumanta, magaling sumayaw, at hindi pahuhuli sa pag-arte. Iyan ang original Kapampangan Music Culture and the Arts.
Ang objective namin dati is to develop, promote, and help to expose the Kapampangan songwriters and Kapampangan singers. Ngayon, medyo lumawak na yung objective namin kasi we diversified in other forms of arts.
Pero paano nga ba nabuo ang grupong ito?
There were 15 of us who organized the group, 15 songwriters, wherein we met in a songwriting competition here in Pampanga. And after we formed the organization, one of our pilot project was the radio show entitled Okay Mo, aired in Bright FM.
At gaano na ba kalayo ang kanilang narating?
Okay Musica has taken part in concerts organized by local government units, especially the City of San Fernando here in Pampanga, and also by other activities of the provincial government of Pampanga.
Ang goal namin sa Okay Musica ay ang to bring back the culture and heritage of Pampanga nowadays, through arts and through music.
Talagang hindi pahuhuli ang mga Kapampangan pagdating sa iba't ibang talento. Lalo pat mas lalo itong pinagyayaman ng mga bagong henerasyon.
For our upcoming projects, we're going to have a TV show that will be next month. Yan, papalabas po yung next month. And ang title po niya ay Okay Musica. And magre-release din po kami ng bagong album na Lugod Kapampangan.
World class. Iba, angat sa lahat. Kaya naman asahan natin na patuloy at hindi mawawala ang kultura at tradisyon ng mga Kapampangan dahil sa Okay Musica.
Iba ang pag-iingat ang kailangan upang maiwasan ang aksidente.
35% of head injuries are secondary to riders without helmets. And also there's another, quite a similar number of around 30% of motorcycle fatal injuries are those in drunk driving. Usually kakailanganin siya ng fixation. Kailangan mo ma-stabilize yun either using yung most common kung closed fracture, yung internal fixation methods. Naglalagay kami ng mga intramedullary nails. Basta kakailanganin to ng metal hardware. Motorcycle riders, di ba? Parang sabi nga nila, every time you operate a machinery, you're supposed to be responsible. Meron kang mga protective gear that you're supposed to, hopefully they are mitigating o mababawasan ang chance mo of having significant injuries. Being responsible in the sense na i-avoid mo yung mag-drive ng nakainom and also overspeeding.
Iwas traffic, tapos mas komportable yung oras mo, natitipid yung oras. Ayun. Sumunod lang sa mga traffic rules, may iwasan mga aksidente.
Ang tricycle na pinapatakbo ng motorsiklo ay isang mainam na hanap buhay.
10 taon lang ako nagta-tricycle driver.
Punta nga.
Ay walang ibang mahanap ng trabaho, ito lang.
Okay naman po yung kita.
Pwede naman. Okay lang.
Ano naman po, nakakatawid po ng araw.
Oo, nakabuhay din ang pamilya.
Kahapon ka pa hindi kumakain
Ayaw.
May singaw ka pala. Alam mo naman may solusyon si nanay dyan. May Oramedy, alis singaw. Isang pahid lang, hindi na masakit ang singaw. Oramedy, alis singaw.
Robust enhances male potency. May 4 na ancient herbs na nagpapataas ng libido ng mga lalaki.
Aste.
Available in Mercury Drug and all leading drugstores nationwide.
Memory loss, signs of aging, weak immune system. Sa bilis ng panahon, hindi mo namamalayang naaabuso na ang iyong katawan. Buti na lang may Circulant 4-in-1 with 4 herbs na tumutulong para sa overall good blood circulation. Ginkgo biloba that aids in enhancing memory and concentration. Lemon balm that helps normalize sleeping patterns. Garlic oil that helps strengthen the immune system. And hawthorn berry that helps promote youthful glow. Circulant helps you look and feel young. Circulant.
Siguro naman ako na-cover natin lahat ng topic tungkol sa motorsiklo, from sports to motorcycle-related accidents. Diba, Doc Bong?
Yes, Cecil. At nakita nyo naman na pwede nyo palang subukan yung cycling para maging new hobby or sabihin natin interest. Pero importante po sa lahat, ay kinakailangan matutunan nyo muna ang mga alintununin na kinakailangan nyo malaman kung gusto nyo maging magmotor o magmaneho ng motorsiklo para maging safer or happier ang inyong journey. Thank you for watching Generation RX. We not just talk, we inform.